All right, everyone, a little update for today's video. Not much going on. We're not doing anything on the LB7 just yet. LBZ, we're coming up next month. We've got some things coming up on it, some pulleys, etc., stuff like that. We are going to be doing next week a thermostat on these, not the AC controls, not specifically the thermostat. We're going to be doing the AC controls on my LBZ. We're going to be doing a PSC power steering pump on the Paperweight Duramax. We're doing that today. Hi, do you want the cookie? Hey, look, can you say hi to everyone? Hi. Can you say, I'm Jade? Yeah. Okay. Please. Hey. Oh, you're welcome. Okay, anyways, so we got a PSC power steering pump going on the Paperweight Duramax next week. We're going to be doing the AC controls on my Duramax next week. Got those from Gageworks. They are LEDs. It's going to be the start of the interior LED change on my truck. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to actually redo my cluster again because of what I'm going to get from him and the colors I like. So I'm going to actually redo my cluster again. Thing with the LB7, obviously the number one thing that I plan on doing is that fuel sending unit. That's starting to really bother me. I don't have an issue hand logging things. What's that? Is that one of Daddy's trucks? Yeah. But anyways, we've got a lot of stuff going on with this. Coming in the future, I've got a lot of things in the work, some serious big plans that hopefully some companies hop on board here and we get some stuff rolling for this. This is going to be something big, you guys, and I'm really looking forward to it. That being said, like I said, it's just a little updated for what we got coming up this next week, what we got coming up in the future. I've also got a set of rock lights that I'm going to be putting on these that are freaking awesome. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to do an unboxing on that. We're going to install them. It's going to be freaking epic, you guys. They are awesome. Again, this company hopped on board with this truck, so I'm excited. I am excited. That being said, make sure you guys have yourselves a great night. Have yourselves a great weekend. We'll be working on these projects this weekend, so stay tuned for that. I'm excited for the LB7. I'm excited for the LBZ. Sorry if I get all those numbers and letters and everything all mixed up and everything. Oh, and big adult excitement here. Getting a new roof on the house, which needed to be done, so thankfully that'll be done. You know, like I said, have yourselves a great night, have yourselves a great weekend. Enjoy the good weather, enjoy the summer weather that we have coming up here. Hopefully this weather just continues to be great. It's been great for us so far this year, and we'll see you in Monday's video.